Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a project that tested my patience, skill, and sanity: a DIY kitchen cabinet makeover. Get ready for a journey filled with tension, triumph, and a stunning final reveal. First things first, let's talk about the before. My kitchen cabinets were, shall we say, a bit dated. Think builder grade with a finish that had seen better days. The color? Well, let's just say it wasn't exactly inspiring. It was time for a change. I started by removing all the cabinet doors and hardware. This is a crucial step, so take your time and label everything. Trust me, you'll thank me later. After that, it was time for the dreaded sanding. This is where the tension started to build. Sanding is messy, time-consuming, and let's face it, a bit boring. But it's absolutely essential for paint adhesion, so no shortcuts here. Next up, the cleaning. I used a degreaser to remove any lingering grime and grease. This ensures the paint has a clean surface to adhere to. Once everything was dry, it was time for the primer. I chose a high-quality primer specifically designed for cabinets. 2 coats, sanding in between, and the cabinets were starting to look promising. Then came the paint. I opted for a beautiful, modern color that would brighten up the entire kitchen. Painting the cabinets was a labor of love. Multiple coats, waiting for each to dry, and meticulously checking for drips and imperfections. This is where the triumph started to emerge. Seeing the color transform the space was incredibly rewarding. I used a paint sprayer for a smooth, professional finish. If you don't have a paint sprayer, don't worry. You can achieve great results with a brush and roller. Just be patient and take your time. After the paint dried, it was time to reassemble everything. New hardware, soft close hinges, and the cabinet doors went back in place. This was the moment of truth. Would it all fit? Would it look good? The suspense was killing me. And finally, the reveal. Stepping back and seeing the finished kitchen cabinets was an amazing feeling. The transformation was incredible. The space felt brighter, more modern, and completely transformed. It was a DIY project that was definitely worth the effort. So, if you're thinking about a kitchen cabinet makeover, go for it. It's a challenging project, but the results are so rewarding. Remember to take your time, be patient, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.